Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva website. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com, then click on Login up here. You may choose to log in with your Google, Facebook, email, and if you have a Embed email, then you may also choose to log in with that. This action will lead you to the Canva homepage. In here, click on the website where you want to embed a YouTube video in. Click on a page, then from these elements next to the website's pages, click on Add Section. Then just customize this page however you like. Next, let's go to YouTube and then let's pick a video that you want to embed. So for example, I'm going to embed this video. So I clicked on it and then click on Share down here, then click on Copy next to this provided link. Then let's go back to Canva. On the left panel, click on Text, then click Add a Heading. A text box like this will appear and then just type in whatever you prefer. I'm going to type in Video Embed. Next, highlight the whole text by double-clicking it. And then click on this link icon right here. Then this pop-up will appear. In this field, paste the YouTube link you copied earlier by clicking on Ctrl+V on your keyboard. And then click Done here. Under this display mode, click on this drop-down menu, then change the link to Embed. And now we have our embedded video right here. And that is how you can embed a YouTube video in Canva website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.